Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a bit about crypto and also touch a bit of the trading 212 community, because something very interesting happened yesterday and trading 212 just officially made a statement on Twitter. Okay, so if you're interested, stay with me. Let's start with checking what happened in the cryptocurrency world. Yesterday and the day before yesterday was a pretty red-ish day. Everything just dropped, but today I would say that everything goes just a bit better. Everything came back into normal, or I wouldn't say bullish, but it's going sideways, and if it's not bearish, we are happy. So let's just check what is happening, what has happened in the last 24 hours. Okay, here we are at the coin market cap, and as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours increased by 4 and 1.8%. Also Tether, Polkadot 9%, and XRP 2.34%, Cardano 7%, Chainlink 12%. This is very good. Okay, so it seems like something stabilizing here. Let's just check who are the big winners of the last day, and they are Doge, 1inch, Rune, Luna, and Aeron, as I said in yesterday's video. Okay, so yes, Aeron has increased by 27% and by 55% in the last 7 days. Okay, and that is very big. And who are the big losers? If you have big losers, we don't really have big losers. CeeLo and Stacks, so we don't really have losers. Okay, this was a very good 24 hours. We only have winners, which very rarely happens. Okay, let's just go forward, and I wanted to show you some of the biggest news, some of the new news, and that is that more and more companies are investing in cryptocurrency. Okay, and I also wanted to discuss why. So digital asset manager Grayscale, which is the biggest digital asset manager in the world, is enlarging their portfolio. Okay, they are investing now also in Aave, Cosmos, Atom, Polkadot, and Monero. Okay, this is not the first time they are investing. They are just enlarging their portfolio. They are diversifying, and if we should learn from somebody, these companies are the one we should listen to. Okay, we should do the same as they do. We should diversify. Okay, don't keep all your eggs in one basket, as some say. Okay, you just diversify, put your money as wide as possible, because that's the safest. Okay, I'm not saying that this is gonna bring you the biggest reward, no, but it's gonna be the safest and still pretty good chance to increase. Okay, but why this is happening? So why the asset managers, the investment companies, the financing companies suddenly decided to invest in cryptocurrency? Is it because Bitcoin just increased? I wouldn't say so. It's not something they didn't foresee, let's say. Okay, but what they can foresee, and is very important, is inflation. Okay, is inflation, which already happened in Argentina. The Argentinian inflation now is 50% to the US dollars. And that is not because the US dollars is so good. No. US dollars is just falling. And why? Because Biden and the sweet lady we talked about in the other videos, Miss Yellen? Yeah, they are printing money. They are printing money to bail companies. Okay, they are printing money to keep the economy somehow. But with this, they will induce a very big inflation, and I'm going to show you how the dollar is falling. Okay, this is 1 month, 1 year. Okay, this is USD to GBP. You see this? You see this downtrend? Let's check it to euro. You see this downtrend? Yenny. Do you understand what I'm talking about right now? This is why the cryptocurrency is becoming more and more stable, and this is why big investment companies are choosing to invest in cryptocurrency, because this year a big inflation will come. Okay, and this is not only because of the pandemic. Okay, this is not only because of the pandemic. countries are just printing out money all the time to bail banks, bail companies, bail people, but that doesn't happen that often, okay? And with printing the money, they just induce an artificial inflation which will in the end explode. And when it explodes, who's gonna suffer it? The people, of course. Okay, so the cryptocurrency cannot be multiplied by the country, okay? And that is why governments don't like cryptocurrency. They cannot print out more. The cryptocurrency's volatility is affected by the trades, okay? By the market. It's manipulated by the people, okay? Let's go forward. I just wanted to show you one news which really gives us the idea how diversified this cryptocurrency world is becoming, and how everybody try to adapt and try to include in their day-to-day life the cryptocurrency. And nothing else shows us better than the American Cancer Society creates its first crypto-only donation fund, okay? So yeah, it's funny, but it is a diversification, okay? This is something, also a progression. This is something which we are heading to, and this is good, okay? The more type of industries, the more type of companies are thinking and investing and trading with cryptocurrency, the better is, okay? The better is, because that means that is a growing economy, and yes, in the end, it will be like the internet, that it will be a big growth, which is happening now, and then flat line, almost a flat line, and then something else will come, something new, okay? So this is good. Our last news is trading 2-on-2. So yesterday GameStop, yeah, there were some very interesting movements in GameStop's stock exchange. Some people lost a lot of money, but a lot of people won a lot. And trading 2-on-2 just crashed, okay, for several hours. I also tried to log in, but I just couldn't. The server was down, and they just gave out this this statement that due to the unprecedented demand, we have temporarily stopped onboarding new clients. Once we process the existing queue, we will be open for new registration. Not that they cannot handle the trading, they cannot process new registration, they cannot process new clients, okay? You can't sign up to trading 2-on-2. This is very funny. I think trading 2-on-2 should work a bit on their servers, and if they really want to become the number one, as there are big competitions like eToro or Plus 500 and Robinhood, of course. Okay, so these were the news for today. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, and yeah, just press the like button. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.